Yeah, good morning once again. I have a brief presentation on the mobile telecom in Tamil Nadu Telecom Circle, BSNL. Escape. Yeah. This Tamil Nadu Telecom Circle comprises Tamil Nadu State and Pondicherry undertaking, Union Territory, excluding Chennai Telephones. Chennai Telephone district area covers Chennai district plus Kanjipuram and Tiruvallur. This is the overall, technology. We have about 4 technologies in Tamil Nadu. The latest one is the ZTE telecom, the ZTE network, which is the latest having LTE enabled. That is in the 4 circled one. The other one is the blue is the Huawei network. Just it was installed in phase 5, that is about 2 years back. In the same about 8 SSAs, we have a concept of SSA, secondary switching area. Districts have been divided. And we also have Nortel equipment in the 7 districts and the Motorola in 2 districts. This is our overall, the structure of our technology in Tamil Nadu. The total population, I am talking only about our area, that is whatever Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu plus this. Pondicherry separately will give you. The total population in Tamil Nadu circle is 5.33 crores. The population covered by GSM is about 97%. The area of Tamil Nadu circle in square kilometers is about 1.22 lakhs. And area covered by GSM is about 77%. We have covered all the towns as prescribed in 2001 census. Of course, 2011 is yet to come with the categories of classification. So till then we are following the 2001 census. There are 31 district headquarters, 67 subdivision headquarters, 202 taluk headquarters. Of course, leaving these other 2 districts, Chengalpattu and this one, Tiruvallur. And there are 362 block headquarters. They are all mobile reached up to that point. The number of villages as per the 2001 census is 14,670. The number of villages covered by GSM, it is having a tower as well, otherwise it's incidental coverage. It is about 84%. The villages above 5,000 population is 100% covered. We have a detailed slide on the below 5,000 population. Next slide. The total length of national highways, we have about 4,331 kilometers, is covered by GSM is about 95%. There are about 24 national highways. And so far as rail routes are concerned, about 4,119 kilometers, we covered about 95%. And the total state highways is about 8,298, and we covered about 61%. This is the actual, today's, the area of discussion. The mobile penetration in rural areas. More than 5,000 population, as I told, 100% we covered. The more than 2,000 and 5,000 population is covered by mobile. Mobile coverage is about 4,377. That is about 95.44% we covered. More than 1,000 and less than 2,000 population about 86.84. And less than 1,000 population about 80.85. That means the uninhibited stations are about 833. And the total population is covered is 12,362. This is what is our figure based on the 2001 census. About 85.7% has been commissioned so far. We have a total of details, of course, the more of but the BTS working in the various capacity. The 2G BTS working is about 5,709. All of them are having the reliable communication such as OFC with the 4,348 and digital microwave about 1,361. In this urban, 50-50% we have about, urban is about 2,891 and rural is about 2,818. The number of 3G node base, this is the 3G node service we have. We have about 1,469 node base. This is also called tower, like towers, you know. IP percent, 100% IP media we have. The number of cities and towns covered with 3G services, about 73. That is 31 district headquarters and 42 major towns like Tehsil and other things. The two major rail routes, that is namely Chennai, Bangalore, right up to Jolarpet is very common, that is about 211 kilometers, our portion alone. That is from Arakkonam up to Arakkonam, Chennai telephones area, beyond that is ours, up to Kuppam. Beyond that again Andhra is there and then to Karnataka. So about 211 kilometers we covered with 3G services. And also Chennai Coimbatore is having a 450 continuous 3G coverage of 458 kilometers. The total radio capacity we planned is about 78 lakhs. Of that 2G is 72 and 3G is roughly 6.11. The total subscribers we have about 83 lakhs plus the data volume we have about 238 terabytes per month. All the 3G node base working on OFC were covered to IP media. This is the latest update of optical fiber. And also the mini links have been commissioned with by 31/3/2013. That means whatever we are radiating, they are all having IP media in the 3G coverage areas. The BSNL subscriber details, of course, the same thing have been, have a different this thing. Prepaid, we have about 79 lakhs. Postpaid is 1.87, a total of 81 lakhs. 3G subscriber, we have about 2,13,272. A total of about 83 lakhs 33,901. The data subscribers, we have about 14,049. Of course, this is more of technical. Of course, I just share with you. There are a number of MSCs, we have four. Number of MSC servers, 12. BSCs, we have 74. BTS, I have told it is 5,709. And 2G GSM radio network 72 lakhs plus. And 2G GSM connection is 81. The RNC, this is working for node B is 15 and node B is total we have about 1,469. The number of cities covered is 73. 3G radio capacity is 6 lakhs 11,789. And the 3G connections we have only about 2 lakh 13,000. And number of data 3G connection is about 14,049. The total radio capacity available with 2G, 3G is about 78 lakhs 34,798. The subscriber we have about 83 lakhs 33,901. This is more again details about the 3G, 2G BTS radiating. The BTS means base transceiver station, that is called the tower. So we are nomenclature. The 2G BTS radiating 5709. And the number of 3G node is radiating 1469. All are co-located. Wherever we have 2G and 3G is co-located. All the 3Gs in urban area and rural rail routes, the BTS and node be radiating totally 7178. The area-wise details, BTS working urban as I told you 2891 and the rural is 2818. The category-wise, BSNL exchange we have about 1,635. BTS working in non-BSNL is about 2,885. The USO, Universal Service Obligation BTS, we have about 232. The BTS working on hiring basis, we have about IP sites, about 957. This is more of the media again. The tower wise, we have how many ground based tower? 3,574, and rooftop tower we have 1,033, working on pole 128, and we have IBS solution about 17 numbers, and IP is about 957. This is our area of today's concern, that a contribution from BSNL as a whole in general, as an affordable and accessible means of communication, rural communities are realizing the potential of the mobile telephony to create economic opportunities and strengthen social network. Mobile telephony effectively reduces the distance between individuals and the institutions, making the sharing of information and knowledge easier and more effective. The mobile phone is no longer just an audio communication tool, but capable of providing additional integrated functions. Yet, mobile telephony, like all technologies, does face limitations and challenges. Mobile phones are the success story of bridging the rural digital divide, bringing tangible economic benefits and acting as agents of social mobilization through improved communication. BSNL, what we are, it's useful to the livelihoods, rural livelihood, relationships, contacts with friends, relatives, efficiency of daily activities, helping case of emergencies, market information for agriculture and livestock produce, sending and receiving money, communication with government departments for mobile agriculture, mobile banking, mobile rural healthcare, etc. These some of the snapshots. That is mobile phones changing the face of rural India. This is the mobile agriculture. These mobile phones, people, take a class and then for the nurses, healthcare in rural areas. The mobile-based primary healthcare management system. There is a server there. You take doctor, patient, nurses, and the healthcare system in one go, and then give the treatment. Mobile banking, then somebody is in need of money, the other person is transferring the money on the mobile itself. The 10 ways to protect from cell phone radiation. Although it was having advantages, there are do's and don'ts also. I thought it's a forum to communicate. Limit your time on the phone. Text when you can. Consider replacing your current phone with a low radiation phone. Use a headset or speaker. Don't put the phone by your body on your waist during use. Delayed use. If you are using your phone without a headset, wait for your call to connect before putting it next to your ear. Avoid use in metal boxes. About that power thing, if your cell signal is down to a few bars, consider waiting to use your phone again. It is a power thing. Less signal means more power is required for use. A word about EMF. Protect yourself from EMFs, electromagnetic fields. You can do that by purchasing a scientifically validated EMF protection device. Doing so will strengthen your bioenergy field and immune system against the harmful effects of EMFs. As always, support your body with proper nutrition. This is about the EMF. Everybody is worried about the radiation of our equipment, and very dangerous for the human beings. It's not so. So we have taken a study and we have got the details from the International Commission on Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection. In fact, we have 1/10 of their standards only to better the system. That is, the EMF field is the standard given here different frequencies. The power density of ICNIRP is 10, whereas in India we have 1. This is the TRAI parameter. Government of India initiatives, the regulatory maximum permissible levels specified are much lower than the ICNIRP, International Commission on Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection. recommendations. Regular monitoring by the TERMCEL. This is a TERMCEL from DOT, they monitor regularly. The severe penalty for violations also there. On field, the actual measurements of 10% sites annually. They every year they visit the sites and then they do the surprise checks also. BSNL adheres to all the regulations in letter and spirit in the interest of nation. There are some don'ts also we want to tell you. Don't use mobile phones while crossing the roads. Do not use mobile phone while driving. And do not use mobile phone at petrol pumps. You are 4 times more likely to have a crash when you are on your mobile phone. It is hard to concentrate on 2 things at the same time. This is our, the BSNL Bhavan. We have recently constructed in Grims Road. Thanks a lot.